Hello everyone, welcome to Marble Race 1. Choose your color. They're in the cup. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pretty much purple. Purple is our winner. So, just to congratulate, you may go down the jack again. And to make this video longer, I'll let you guys all go down the jack. Put them in the cup. Go ahead. That was fast. Oh, you got to go down. Well, everyone. Well, this is all thanks to my brother, because he inspired me for YouTube, and so he didn't make any YouTube videos, but this is my first YouTube video ever. So I hope you liked it, but there's one last thing to say. Everyone has to say, well, one person. You. Don't forget to leave a comment and like. I hope you like the video. 3, 2, 1.